What we are about witnessing now is yet another landmark effort of His Excellency the Governor of Rivers State to bolster the security of the state, the security of our national assets and oil facilities in the state. This is one of such efforts. I'm sure you are all aware. We've donated gunboats, APCs, and several other military and paramilitary equipment. So today we are witnessing the handover of this Rivers State government-owned helicopter to the Nigerian Air Force to secure facilities and ensure security in Rivers State and the Niger Delta region. So what we are about to sign are the documents evidencing the decision of His Excellency the Governor and the Rivers State Executive Council to hand over this helicopter to the Nigerian Air Force for security purposes. I'm sure you're all aware this helicopter belongs to the Rivers State government. It's been there for some years. It was grounded about the year 2020 and was kept in the custody of the Nigerian Air Force before the Chief of Air Staff applied to His Excellency for the grant or donation of this helicopter to be used for security purposes exclusively in Rivers State and in the Niger Delta. His Excellency did present a request at the State Executive Council meeting, and the entire ESCO deliberated and agreed with His Excellency that indeed it is a laudable initiative to hand over this helicopter to be used for security surveillance in Rivers State and in the Niger Delta. So it is my honor and privilege to sign and hand over the documents, the extract of the State Executive Council as approved by His Excellency the Governor. Thank you and God bless you all.